my dad in 1985. My dad in 1985. My father, 1985.
The loneliness came back, worse than I remember.
Хуйня ебаная, давай по новой.
How do I meet the strangest men? They always seem to find me. Remember that time way back when I kissed a guy?
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
Zайки, do you speak English?
Чего?
Два.
I try to get the waiter's attention by blinking in Morse code.
Why are you blinking so much?
I've got something in my eye.
Here, let me get it out.
No, thank you. I don't want to die. Bonjour, sir was...
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
If we ever broke up, I would be sad. Think about everything I thought we had if we ever broke up. If we ever broke up, I'd call your dad and tell him all the shittiest things you said if we ever broke up.
I got some bad ideas in my head. I just...
Сколько будет 2 плюс 2? Чё так сложно, блин, да? Будет 10 или 20, или может быть 15? А я думаю 16, нет, скорее 19. Да вы чё, там будет 5? Как можно этого не знать?
Something for your mind, mind, mind. Something for your
do cuss a little.
Do you?
Also, yeah.
What's your favorite curse word?
Probably fun.
If you go, I'll stay. You come back, I'll be right here, like a bird at sea. In the storm, I stay clear.
Every good rhyme starts with once upon a time. Long ago, far away, centuries before our day. Humans lived, monsters roamed, both shared earth and sky as home. Yet this peace came undone, war was waged and humans won. Forced below, monsters fell. Humans trapped them with a spell. Listen, children, to my words. Ed will eat you, beware the curse.
Listen close, follow my instructions. There's no time for introductions. He was the one that made us. You'll be the one to save us. Underground, welcome to the circus. Power down, are you feeling nervous? His voice means to deceive you. My voice just wants to lead you.
Me and the devil walking side by side. Me and the devil.
The island gives us what we need, and no one leaves. So here I'll stay, my home, my people beside me. And when I think of tomorrow, there we are. I'll lead the way, I'll have my people to guide me. We'll build our future together. There we are.
Oh my gosh. What do I do?
Close your eyes, promise you will love it. Just relax tonight with Itchy till I die. All these lollies call me rubbing on her thighs. She say wet for her.
Angel food cake?
Ow!
You parasite!
All the best people are crazy. All the best people are. Where is my prescription? Doctor, doctor, please listen. Cause you're my best friend, Mowgli. Cause you're special and I'm special. We're not special! Don't you get it? We'll never be one of them. We're freaks. You're not special, brute. It's just something your mother tells you to make you feel better about yourself because you came out wrong.
met you in the summer, so my heart beat sound. We fell in love as the leaves turn.
Sometimes things that look scary can be so beautiful if you give them a chance.
Found a little band. You told me you fell in love with it, hadn't gone as I planned. When you had to bid adieu, said you'd never love anew. I wondered if I could hold it and fall in love with it. Told me to buy a pony, but all I wanted was you.
Today, nobody wished me happy birthday. But that's okay, because today isn't my birthday.
Mais uma fã incubada que queria meu lugar. Cê quer me copiar, cê quer me copiar. Só que o seu nível tá baixo, não consegue acompanhar. Cê quer me copiar, cê quer me copiar.
The Porsche engineers knew exactly what their objective was: to make the new 911 GT2 RS the most powerful Porsche for the road. Objective achieved. The water-cooled 6-cylinder bi-turbo Boxster engine with 4-valve technology delivers its power through the rear axle. From its 3.6-liter capacity, it generates an enormous 620 horsepower at an engine speed of 6,500.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Yeah, I killed those bastards, and I do it again, too. I killed you, and you killed me.
Charlotte, why'd you kill that guy?
Motherfucker, he killed himself!
You said how I got your address? Don't even worry about that, bro.